ITC Hotels Group has inaugurated the company's first hotel outside India. The ITC Ratnadeepa marks the company's foray into international markets. According to the ITC Group Chairman Sanjiv Puri, this is just the beginning as ITC has plans to open more hotels in neighbouring countries. The hotel chain, which opened 22 hotels in 24 months, has plans to launch 70 more in the next 5 years. Shivani Bazaz travelled to Colombo to understand why this launch is important for ITC and India-Sri Lanka ties at a broader level. Take a look.
Well, India's hospitality and FMCG giant ITC Group has forayed into the international hospitality arena with its first hotel outside India. We are standing at the ITC Ratnadeep in Colombo. The property has 352 guest rooms, suites and service apartments, each adorned with private balconies with breathtaking waterfront views. Sanjiv Puri, the chairman of ITC Group, said that Sri Lanka has enormous potential to become a tourism hub, and this investment is also a way to push India's neighbour-first policy. This is not just the first international hotel for ITC, it is also the biggest investment ever made by an Indian company in Sri Lanka.
The ITC Ratnadeepa in Colombo is situated along the shores of the Indian Ocean on one side and the famous Beara Lake on the other. The hotel Twin Towers stand out in Colombo's business district. The new property has been built at a cost of approximately $500 million, a commitment made during the pre-COVID period. Debt-stricken Sri Lanka has gone through a severe financial crisis, but the country has started showing strong recovery in the last 5 months.
Investments are always directed towards more fundamental analysis at does this place have any unique opportunity, does it have anything unique to offer. Based on a more strategic analysis, we felt that this was the place, this is a place where tourism is bound to come back. There may be some times that have not been very good, but tourism will bounce back, and as we are seeing now, tourism is bouncing back. The economy also has shown resilience.
ITC's investment and commitment is definitely a bright spot for Sri Lanka's economy. The importance can be judged by the fact that none other than the President and Prime Minister of Sri Lanka personally inaugurated the hotel, along with other senior cabinet ministers.
The ITC hotels are welcome to be here and to become a part of the tourist system in Sri Lanka. I have no doubt that this icon will help to increase tourism into Sri Lanka, more particularly from India.
Surge in tourist arrivals has been a major factor in Sri Lanka's economic recovery. The country welcomed 1.5 million tourists last year, generating $2.5 billion in revenue, which is almost double of 2022 levels. It is this growth that brands like ITC want to leverage. President Ranil Wickremesinghe said that Sri Lanka wants to accelerate economic cooperation with India, with tourism as one of the key drivers. The Indian government has been pushing for closer economic linkages with Sri Lanka due to its position as a strategic logistics hub.
India has been the leading economic partner of Sri Lanka. We are the largest trade partner of Sri Lanka, the largest source of FDI in recent years, and since we are here at the opening of a hotel in Colombo, I must add that India is also the largest contributor to tourist traffic into Sri Lanka.
Well, ITC Ratnadeepa is an ultra-luxury property which has multiple restaurants, salons, spas, bar, a sun deck, magnificent views and much more. And this is by far the biggest hotel in Sri Lanka. In Colombo, with Vijay Saroj Singh, this is Shivani Bazaz for CNBC-TV18.
And with that, it is a wrap on this edition of Business 360. More news and updates continue on the other side. Stay tuned.